Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this HackerRank problem based on algorithm implementation. Problem name is as given, picking number. Given given an array of integer, find the longest subarray where the absolute difference between any two element is less than or equal to 1. In this problem statement we will be given an array and we have to find the longest sub array which element the difference between the two element is less than or equal to 1. For example, the given array A has element 1 1, 2 2, 4 4, 5 5 5. If we, so that we can make two subarray including these two item 1 1 and 2 2, and another array will have the 4 4, 5 5 and 5. So the longest sub array is 5, so we have to return the 5. The absolute difference between these two array element is 1 or less than 1, that is 0. Okay. For function description, complete the picking number function in the editor below. Picking number has a following parameter. Our function will take array of integer as a argument. In the return type of this array will be integer type, the length of the longest sub array that meets the criteria. Okay. For input format, the first line contains a single integer n. The size of the array is a. The second line contains n separated integer and will have the element. Constraint: the length of the array will be less than equal to 2, greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 100, and the element of the array will be greater than 0 and less than 100. So our the output will be always greater than 2 or equal to 2. For example, if we will take this sample input, we have the first input is 6, so the length of the array will be 6. We have the 6 element, so we need to return the longest subarray which meet the criteria. For example, we choose the following multi-set of integer from the array 4 3 3, 4 3 and 3. Each pair in the multi-set has the absolute difference less than equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we will print the number of chosen integer 3 as our answer. Similarly, we can work with the second input. Size of the array is given 6 and we have 6 element into it, and the longest array will be 5 which meet the criteria. Let's move to the code editor so that we will be writing some code to satisfy the condition. First, the input is argument is given into list, so we need to convert into the array so that we can use it. So I am converting into using this to array method into the list into array. I need one variable in which I can store the maximum length of the array. Okay, I need one for loop. Using that, I can loop through the all element. And finally I plus plus. For looping the all element and the comparing, actually we need two loops. So I am creating another loop which will be the first initial value will be the current parent for loop. Okay, and j less than arr dot length and j plus plus. Yeah, we created two array. Okay, but for each array sub array we need to count the size of the array, which is the maximum. So I am going to create one more variable temp and initializing with 0, and for working with this array I need to sort it first. So we have the array dot sort method which will sort our array into in ascending order. Okay, now we have to check the condition. If math dot absolute function will give us always positive number, whether we are subtracting from the greater smaller to larger or the larger to smaller number. So arr of I minus arr array of j, and if it is less than equal to 1, then we need to increment temp plus plus. Okay, else if it is not, else we need to break the loop, because if it is not satisfying the criteria, then we can't say this is we can continue. So if it is not criterion satisfying the criteria, then we'll break the loop. Finally we need to check if temp greater than max. If it is, then max is equal to temp, and finally end of the first loop we need to return max. So we are done with the coding. Let's run this code to check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it passed the sample test cases. So let's submit this code for final evaluation. Yes guys, it's passed the all test cases without any issue or the time complexity. So guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your friend. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.